south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mineral Point, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Horeb, Dodgeville, Mineral Point, New Glarus, Blanchardville, Linden, Rui, Hallandale, Mount Vernon, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, London, and Leslie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.